What's up guys, it's me Sean here with some math tutorial here today, and today we're going to learn how to solve absolute value equation equal to absolute value equation. So let's get started. So what I did was I came up with this one problem here before I made this video, so I'm going to use that. So we have absolute value of 7x, that's a x, minus 8 equal to absolute value of 3x plus 4. Sorry for the bad handwriting because I'm using this tablet that I'm not used to and it's very hard to write on it. But anyway, so we have this problem here. The first thing we have to do is we have to pick which one you want to change and which one you want to keep. What does that mean, Sean? If you have solved absolute value equation before, you will know that you have to change the other side into negative at some point. So you're gonna have two different answers. So that's what we're going to do here, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this one into negative, so I'm gonna put it as change. But you can pretty much choose any one. If this one seems easier, then just choose this one and keep this one same. But I would just change the right side. I mean, stick with the usual stuff, right? So anyway, so I'm gonna set that one equal to change. So the second step we have to do is we have to divide this problem into two different sections. So one side I'm going to have a positive change, one side I'm going to have a negative change. So let's do this here. So I have 7x minus 8. Now I can drop the parentheses because I chose which one to change. So this side I'm going to have a normal positive stuff here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put 3x plus 4 just like that one. So I just brought this one down here, okay? But the right side will change a little bit. So I'm going to have 7x minus 8 like I had in the before. But this time it's going to equal to minus of what it is. So I'm going to have minus with parentheses 7x plus 4 like that. Okay, so I have two different equations. It's time to solve them. So let's solve this here. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides so I can move the x onto one side. So that way I get what? 4x minus 8 equals 4. Okay, now I have to add 8 to both sides. So that way these two cancels and these two cancels. So I get 4x equal to 12. So now final step here, just divide by 4. So I get x equals 3 for this one. Just put or next to them because we're going to have two different answers, right? So this side here I have to distribute this minus sign or negative sign into here and here, both. So I'm going to have 7x minus 8 equals negative 3x minus 4, like that. So how do I solve this? I add 3x on both sides. So I have 3x on both sides here, and that makes it what? That makes it 10x minus 8 equals minus 4. So now I'm going to add 8 on both sides. So that way I can cancel these 8's and I get 10x equals positive 4. You don't have to put plus sign, but yeah, I just did. But you don't have to. So now I just need to divide by 10 on both sides, so that way I get x equals what? 4 over 10, which you can reduce it down to 2 over 5, like that. So this is our one answer, and this is our second answer. So yeah, there you go. There's two different answers for this one problem. And this will work pretty much on any type of absolute value equals absolute value problem. So just study. And it's very common on the tests and stuff as a challenge problem. So just practice one of this before you take the test. Okay? And thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any other questions or like problems that you guys want me to do, please post them on the comment below, and I'll try to make video for you guys. Thanks.